I'm clearing this area. This used to be the old chicken coop. Uh, some animals came in there. We had what? Two chickens, and our neighbor gave five chickens, some hens, layers. Unfortunately, something came in and killed all of them and just left the chicken there to die. They didn't take it, they didn't eat it, just killed it. Anyway, guys, I'm clearing this area down. I'm gonna put a tree there. I'm not sure yet what's gonna be, but definitely we need to put a tree there. It's just too bare down here, and also here in the back area, a lot of the desert pine actually died. So we're gonna plant some other things there, maybe fruit trees. If not, we'll probably put mesquite or palo verde because they do grow really well here. So come on. Got to be careful with scorpions. We do have a lot of scorpions here. That's gonna go to be. I'm tired, you guys. You guys can tell I'm tired. My day off today, so time to do some work here in the land. Um, so it's gonna be like a firewood. You got recyclables. Put that on the side for now. So we're gonna clean this up right here, and we're gonna put some tree here. I'm thinking maybe a tree that will grow really big, huge. So we'll see. We'll take a look. But yeah, let me show you the other things that we have here in the back area. Uh, Maybe the citrus trees right here. I'll show you guys. And that one is desert rose tree, I think that's what it's called. But yeah, so stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do with that area. All right. Here's the citrus. I can't remember. This is a lemon. I know I planted lemons here, or this is a mandarin or something. I can't remember. I should have tagged it. Yeah, but so far so good. It survived. It's surviving. And this one as well. I can't tell what this one is. There's a tag down there, but I think it's all worn out. So yeah, it has a dieback as well. So hopefully it'll bear some fruits, guys. But yeah, poor chickens. Yeah, they gave us a few eggs already. But I'm gonna clean this up a little bit, and we're gonna plant something there. Clean this area up, burn those woods, throw those garbage away. Yeah, so there's a lot of work here, guys. Always a lot of work, never ending, never ending. So guys, make sure to subscribe, follow, and so you guys can be updated. Living off grid here in the high desert in California. Okay, what is this? It's like a horn. What we're gonna do, we're gonna put some good soil there, some garden soil, mix it up, and make sure the soil is good for planting. So I think that's it for now. It gets too hot. I did so much already today, but yeah, look, it's like a little horn. I don't know, a goat maybe. Not sure. Ram. Little artifact there, huh? All right, guys. Like what I said, subscribe so you guys can see all the follow-ups on our channel. Thank you, guys. It's Romy signing out.